Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I've got something special I wanted to share with you. I don't know if any of you have ever seen these kits before. They are the Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner. They're snap together kits. They came out from MPC back in the 70s. And if I can find the info online, I'll put a picture of the original kits right here. I had the original ones. My brother actually purchased them and put them together for me when I was, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 years old. And it was one of the greatest gifts I ever received. I absolutely loved them. And through the years, of course, they were lost and destroyed. And the funny thing is I just went through my parts bin, and I actually have the original. This is from probably 1971 or 72. This is the original fin that went on there, and the interior section of the Roadrunner car. And then all I have left of the Coyote is the interior piece. And the steering wheel went there, and I can't remember what went there, and I really can't see it inside of there. But that's all I have left is those 3 parts of the original ones. So I ran across these, well, I'm going to say it was 2011 that I ran across these parts, and I started looking them up online, and sure enough, these were available. They came out in 2011, funny enough, in these boxes right here from MPC through round 2. So thank you guys at round 2 for putting them out back in the day, because oh my gosh, my whole childhood came flashing right back to me when I seen them. So I picked them up, put them together, and they've been on the shelf since 2011. Actually, I think this is the first time I've moved them since then. You can still see the dust on them. I thought they were pretty cool. I just wanted to share them. The original ones I don't believe came with the little figures, but it's a nice touch. They remind me of zingers, if you guys are old enough to remember what those are. But this was a Warner Brothers version, I guess. So alrighty, just a little glimpse into the past there. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you all for stopping by. This is just a quick one. I wanted to share these with you. I'll see you on the next one. Have yourselves a great day, and as always, keep on modeling.